Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be whipping up one of my favorite dishes, shrimp etouffee. To start, I chopped up some onions, celery, and bell peppers, also known as the Trinity when you're making New Orleans dishes. It's pretty much the base of most of the dishes that you'll enjoy if you ever go to New Orleans. So in a large skillet, I am sauteing the onions, and I use olive oil and butter. You're going to saute the mixture until the onions are sort of a caramelized color. Next, I peeled and divined raw shrimp. You'll add that to your pan. For the seasonings, I chose to use a pre-mixed Cajun spice. You can definitely look up the ingredients separately, but I thought this was so much easier than trying to buy 7 different ingredients to make this dish. And of course, if you like yours with a bit more spice, you can always add cayenne pepper. Now this is sort of a gravy stew sort of meal. So these are just the base ingredients, but then to get that gravy, we're going to use water and flour. I just put it in a blender to keep the mixture from getting lumpy, and I added that to the skillet. From here, you're just going to let it simmer until it thickens up. I definitely suggest serving the etouffee with rice. It's a nice starchy dish, and it's really sort of a comfort food. So for the rice, just make as you normally would. I would suggest seasoning with a little bit of salt, and you can use butter or olive oil. Once the rice is done, just to create this cute little design, I used a smaller dish, filled it into the bowl, and topped it right on the etouffee. Garnish with parsley and enjoy.